What happened today? Less number of people. So it also have effects in this also. Strange thing is girls population is also less. I don't think so. Maybe whatever. Now whatever the reason will be, sir, we'll see first what we have discussed in yesterday class. We'll see some of the designs done by you, some of the it's done by you. Then we'll move forward with CSS, sir. If you focus on CSS for few more days, like the next week by this time, you actually build your complete site, a basic HTML CSS sites. Is it clear, ma? Till now it's working so good. Like some people are bringing the results. Some people never showed me one file also. Oh, I said it today. I will check it the videos, right? You check the links, na? Oh, that's why you are so silent. Today we will check what you guys did so that it will be good. Online, anyone have it? You can give me, ma. Online, please provide you the link. Offline, anyone have any link? Acha, yesterday I said it first and last ones, na? Accept them, right? Let's start with them. Last one. You did any project, ma? Why? Any problems? Are you understanding, ma? Yes, no. Okay. Please try some projects. Next line. You did any projects? Yes, no. Can you give me the everyone be quiet? Article, hyphen, project. That's it. Dot netlify. Dot app. And also so many people give. Okay, I gave spelling wrong. Article. It's come here news. News article she wrote. The interesting point is she used mark tag. She used something image. She put some, caption for it. Left side she gave some kind of address kind of thing. Italics, some side heading, some data, some anchor tags. Good. It uses everything, ma, including the tables. This is really good. It will explain. Listen, your project purpose is to make understand that all the things whatever it is in HTML to cover it. How did this news is moving? News is moving because mark tag. But I am telling it to you, mark is not recommendable. I already showed it. In CSS, I will show you how to do it on your own. In CSS, we will create animations. Okay. Now, next one, sir. Next one, girl. You did, but having the problem of hosting. Try it at the end of the class. Let me know. I will explain it once and try it, and tomorrow we can show. Next one. Next one, ma'am. Did any? Hello. You did any, ma'am? Is she saying something? Sorry, I can't hear you. Can anyone translate it? Problem of uploading. Try it today. Next. Huh? Same thing. It's like copying the answer also. At least excuses has to be unique, Ray. It's like, in childhood, when the teacher someone said fever. Next to me, same sir. Good. Next one, ma'am. Last one. No. Good. Next. Very good. You did? Ah, all three people, nice. Anyone? Very good. This is the good one actually. Tell me, ma'am. Sports clone zone. ZONE dot netlify hyphen sports zone hyphen academy. Sports academy. That's really good. The champion by Sports Zone Academy. Very good. Cricket, kabaddi, football. That's good. Nice. We have a sport actually which play in in kind of mud only, the football. What is that? Rugby अलग रे. Rugby बोले तो वो अलग. In mud also we will do one football रे. I forgot it. Whatever it is. Now this is good. Click here to for more games. It's opening more. Home about us. Oh, it's opening Sports Zone Academy. Oh, you take inspiration from this. Nice. Very good. But at least you did something. I'm really glad. Next one, ma'am. No. Any reason, ma'am? It's your third class. Still, that's not the point. Okay. Monday, big peacock. Peacock 006. I don't know whether people are saying it like that or I became deaf. I don't know. Now, peacock. That's good. Peafowl. Good. Good. In peacock displaying its train. Domain, kingdom. Nice. Each one is having a link also. That's good, ma. Next. Very good. Student form 1234 dot netly dot app. Is this your final thing you did in your HTML, ma'am? It must be something 2 hours work, right? Seriously? Now, online his voice is clear. Online, can you hear me, ma? Yeah. Now, next. But anyway, she did something. You are only, ma'am. Did anything? No, she. Yes. Yes, no. Upload problem. You? Upload problem. Perfect. So finally you got one problem, sir, which is upload problem. My point is, from the last 11 days, I am telling it. We did 11 days HTML, sir. Every day I showed you how to upload it into Netlify. Every day I told it, please upload. Some people came late, that's okay. You guys are there from starting now? Every day. No. Told you, if you get problem also, first you get a problem. Second day you get a problem. By now it should be solved, huh? It's like tomorrow exam, today night you will read. Why? 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 Why show PH 9 dot netlify dot app BAISHUH 979 dot netlify dot app. Then why I'm not getting? Did you not see? You just uploaded a site, but you did not see your site. It's like you think but not tasted and directly giving to the people. They will die. Next. Next one, ma'am. Good. Next. Good only? Very good. Tomorrow. Sorry. Sorry? Cartoon. Ah. Very good. Hyphen. A. A. AMKTI. Dot netlify. Dot app. Aki. Cartoon. KKI. Finally, finishing projects. Cartoons, it is having so many cartoons. Oh, it's only 3 cartoons. Anyway, Tom and Jerry, Doraemon, Nobita. Clicking on Doraemon, Mouse. It's opening YouTube, right? Let me close it. Okay. Now, that's really nice. Now, so what about boys, sir? Acha, the boys who are backside of this pillar, can you come and adjust in remaining places, ma? At least one day see your faces. Last one, did you did any project, sir? Why, sir? Not upload. Seriously? Boys, raise your hand if you have the problem, not upload. हाँ raise your confidently raise your hand कुछ नहीं होता raise your hand if you are having problem not upload except that everyone I will ask okay these people so this all people never uploaded until now then why you are getting uploaded problem now eh seriously okay whoever have the site link show me ma online I'm just seeing the sites online people done study tips someone did it something good click for more videos is really good someone did now let me explain you one thing sir everyone yes I told you in the first day only when you came the first day remember the strength of the class now today maybe because of a movie or some 10% of the people have their own valid reasons or whatever it is whoever actually are not your competition when you go for really big MNCs, when you are really trying to achieve yourself in life, those people will not even be in need. Those people who have not tried, I'm telling it, some people tried and got really the upload problem. I am okay with them. But there will be some people who have not tried. You know who you are. I can't put it on everyone's head blame. But those people, I am telling it, this is not a something cakewalk. Coming to Naresh Shetty and saying it like we will give 100% and going to Naresh Shetty taking the job. It's not the simple thing, ma. Because it's not Naresh Shetty or any other institutes. Maximum they can help you to be. No one can't put you in the job. We can give you interviews, right? But you have to qualify now. And the 80% of the people who are in the Amirpet, they don't know anything. Why? Because they don't practice. HTML you can do in your phone also. First day I told, right? People who are absent, okay. People who did not come, okay. But remaining people, one person will be there who come to everyday class of this all from the demos, but did not even tried one time. That is wrong. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? Good. Now let's see. I will see some of the designs done by online people and also offline. This HTML website in 2024 plus how they work. He wrote it some kind of article or something kind of one. Okay. It looks good. It looks nice. Next, admission gate HTML netlify.app. Enroll base. See, they created a form with a nice background. Today we will do this all. Puja project HTML.netlify. They did something called Puja project, which is kind of Tirumala Puja. That's nice. Anyone offline have any links, sir, to show? Give me. I'm telling it seriously. Is it good? Source dot netlify dot app patch up. Oh, I thought it patcher. Patch up. Why you change your domains every time? Right. I understand it. Okay. Go here, log. I don't know what will happen next. Okay, this one is there. Scroll down. Huh? Where about here? About romance. Let's click here about its opening. Permission. Okay. Our story and our team. Now, nice, Ray. Good. If Munnabai is also there, it would perfect match. Now, really good. See, the point is so simple. Everyone, whoever did the HTML files, they had some kind of theme, right? See, someone created for Tirumala Puja. They had a theme. Some sites they create without a theme is useless. Okay. Now today you will learn some kind of CSS. Immediately your mind will think it like, oh, what kind of site I can do with this kind of thing. Okay, already I have some thought like the puja one or something, romance one, whatever it is. And what kind of site I can make it good using these things. That is what you should think. It is really good. Nice. With this rate, I can see this one real only. Now here, image, instead of this image, use the Lottie file. I showed you Lottie files, now. Go here. No. Take it something and you can edit it. If I go here, love couple. Now, if I go here, now if I take it anything, Now this thing I can take, I can go edit. This is something, if anyone wanna try this, you can edit this to however you want. Now this pink color, I can change it until or unless they are images. Oh, this is very bad. They all are images. No, then this lottie file is not good. Go with any lottie file which you can change. It's a premium one. This is a free one, but it's well. This one is not romance. Now go here. This one I can change it to your theme. Go here, edit, edit. I think I showed you this all. Now here, I don't want this color. Change this blue color. Can you see this? This thing color turned blue. Now select this. This color is that. His shirt can become some kind of red. Are you getting my point, ma? That you can try it, obviously. And once everything is there, save it and just push it into your. At least it will give you some kind of good look. Okay, static images. This is also nice only, not bad. But blue, red, this kind of colors, actually you can make it. Okay, yeah. Now, next one. Any other offline? Any other offline, ma? No. Okay, not CSS, sir. Everyone. VS codes. Now online, if any doubts, also you can ask me, ma. HTML, CSS, JS4. Now left side, let's create a new folder, sir. The folder name is CSS. Again, inside the folder, you will create three more folders. One is for code, one is for the notes, one is for the projects. Online, sir. Any other site similar to Lottie? Uh, I haven't seen any, but actually you can try it. Lottie files, I have seen it. I don't know any other similar one, but there are some sites which are like animates. I have seen some sites like you can type it in Google like animate SVGs. Animate SVG. Yesterday I told you SVG images, na? Those all are SVG image only. Scalable graphics. If you type it animate SVG, you may get it actually. Okay. Someone named Suman Kumar did one site. It's really good, ma. Oh, it's dangerous, whatever it is. Now you know when this thing will come, when you are cloning any application. If you are trying to build the same application, see, you may somewhere the similar one must be there. If you are trying to clone it, then you will get it as kind of sites. Netlify will give it. Don't try it. Okay. Now, Bhaskar Reddy did one site. Oh, it's Bujigadu one. It's like it is showing all the images, but the images are high resolution, so that it is taking so much time. They are really good, but the problem is it is taking so much time. Think about it. It is showing all the trailers. Nice. Hill City. This good. Good. SR Flower Shop. Now, online flower shop. This is really good thought. But when you are giving 100 rupees, rupee symbol should be not after. Now let's go here. Now everyone see this ma notes. Let's start the first CSS. Understand the CSS from starting onwards. The use of CSS. Styling. Style the web page, right or not? Cascading style sheets. Style sheets are introduced in 1994. See, HTML came in 1992. That means 2 years HTML without any styling people started to use. HTML used to have a basic styling like center and all these things. But now we are not using it anymore. Cascading style sheets introduced in 1994. They are used for, what are the CSS is used for? They are used for, they are used for styling or designing of the web page. Or designing of the web page. Whatever the web page you did, ma, for that web page, it can do styling or designing. Okay? Now, to achieve this, to achieve this, to achieve this, CSS follows three ways. There are types of CSS. That's what I'm telling it. They are inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. We are just discussing the basics, ma. In the basic, there is something called inline CSS. There is something called internal CSS. There is something called external CSS. Now, let's discuss here. Let's discuss here what is inline CSS. We can write CSS of any element in the same line using style as a attribute. You will declare as a attribute, ma, and in that only you will write it. You will declare a style as a attribute. In that only you will write it. These things, sir. Okay. Now, how do you do that? Let's see. Let's create a sample application. Go here. Go to code. Go here. First application. Inside the first, I'm going to create something called index.html. Inside the index.html, animation enter. Then down. H1. Hello CSS. These things all are common now. Now go here, go live. They will come side by side. Now, anyone have any doubt in this code, sir? Absolutely not. Now go to H1. Go to H1. Write it as attribute. Attribute बोले तो property. Like anchor tag have which attribute. Image have SRC attribute. Right or not? We have attribute. Similarly, one of the attribute is called, style. You can write style. See, open and close. Let me write it something called background color. What do you write, ma? Background color. Background color, I will put it something like blue. Can you see automatically it became background color blue? Can you see it, sir? Automatically background color became blue. Now, what if I want to change text color as white? Write it here, color. Write it here, color. Here, color spelling is COLOR, color, and here write it as white. To change background color, I gave background dash color, and to change the color of I gave color. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? Is it clear? Everyone, please take a book or a paper and start write it, sir. No book. Today. HTML हो गया रे. You just came here time pass. Next. First day. No, na? Seriously? Good. How many of you here are first day, sir? Offline? I'm glad. Now, let's start, sir, anyway. H1, I gave it style, background blue, white, and write it here, hello CSS. Now, everyone, take a paragraph, take a paragraph, change its color and color, background color, use inline, using inline CSS. Everyone, please try it, ma. We will do slowly. Everyone, please try that. Online, let me know if you are completed. 2 minutes, ma. Quickly write it. Done. Next one, ma. Next one, ma. Now, all I ask you to do is paragraph, write it some chota paragraph, and give here. How do you give the inline, ma'am? Inline is like style, background color, and you will give some background color automatically, and then color, then automatically comes some color. This is one way. Next one, internal CSS. What is that? Internal CSS. In internal CSS, you will CSS in the header. Actually, you can give it anywhere, but always remember CSS should be inside the header, and JavaScript should be inside the end of the body. CSS always end of the head, JavaScript always end of the body. Why you are writing it like that only, we'll discuss it later. Now, let's go here. Write it here. Style. See, earlier you write it style as an attribute. Now you have style as an element. Style as a element. This is called internal CSS. What it is called, ma? Now inside the I will give inside the live I will give paragraph. Paragraph. Every paragraph will have background color red, color white. If you see clearly, this is the same thing which I tried earlier also. Same output, I got it earlier also. The same thing, sir. Okay, but the difference is here I wrote them separately in a style tag. Earlier I did not use any style tags. I directly wrote them. Right, sir? Right or not? And this is called internal selector. What it is called? Internal selector. In internal selector, you will have something called selector. Internal selector, you will have something called selector, and the selector will select the element. And also you will have something like open brace, close brace in between the data ma. Okay. Any doubts here? No. Next. What if there is another paragraph? This paragraph also I want to give the data. Now something. Now I want to write it here. This paragraph. Take this. Create a new file. Create a new file. Style.c. What is the file name? By default, every CSS files will have something called style.css, but you can give any name also, it will work. Now, the CSS file, just write it here. H2 is nothing but, oh shit. H2 now only H2 is there. That's why it got copied H2. Now here, background color, green, automatically for H2 green color will come. So I did not link them. And so, guys, first you have to create a CSS file. First you have to create a CSS file and then go to HTML, go to HTML, go to the top, go to the top, and instead of internal CSS by this, I write it here, go to the top, any HTML, and write it here something link colon CSS. Link colon CSS. Link colon CSS. Now, H2, 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 H2. Here I wrote it for paragraphs. Actually, here I wrote it for paragraph. If I write it here H2 also, same thing will happen. Paragraph link. Go here. Background color green, color, yellow. So total here I used three kinds of styles. First one is called inline, second one is called internal, third one is called external. Third one is called external. Now take a paper or your laptop. People not having any papers or something, take it from someone else. Just borrow it a paper. Then start write a simple HTML CSS projects which explains internal, inline, and external files. I want to use all these three and create it anything in the 5 minutes. Chicho. Uh-uh. అయ్యయ్యో! ఏనేస్తా. ఆ! నా నాన్నకి మొన్న బ్యాలెన్స్ ఏసాను కదా! వస్తదిగా. ఆ బ్యాలెన్స్ లోనే వస్తది. నేను అడుగుతాను. సరే, సరే. సరే. అలాగే, అలాగే. Okay. Now everyone, please understand one more. I will tell you all three types one more time. Okay. There are total. How many types you will give CSS, ma? How many types? Now this time I will make you only do it. Okay. Now let's build it everything from scratch. Go here. Go here. First, HTML. Empty HTML. Now in this empty HTML, sir, let's write it here. Kind of paragraph or some type of H1. H1. Everyone. Hi. Hello. CSS. Now what will happen, sir, if I do this? Hi, hello, CSS will come now. Down. Open with live server. Now, here, whenever you do H1 tag, you get it here. Whatever you printed in the H1, it came there. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir, here? Let's print them, sir. Let's print them first. Let's do inline CSS. How do you do inline CSS? Go here. Style. Here style is a attribute. Here style is a attribute. Now here I am explaining only two styles. In future we will do all. Now one of the style is background color. Red, blue. So what is this called? What is this called, ma? Inline CSS. Why? Because in the same line, na? Next, let's write it a paragraph. Lorem 10. Now I want to select this paragraph. Go here, go at the last of it. Why you are writing it at the end of the head only, sir? I will tell you, we will discuss in the future. Now write it here. In the style, write it here style. In this style, write it here in this style. Now, I want to select that second one, sir. Right or not? I want to select the second one. How, what I can say, sir, if I want to select second one? First one, what is the tag of first one? What is the tag of first one? What is the tag of second one? P. So, I have to say P, sir. Right or not? How do you select an element? By tag name. By now I am on tag name. The tag name is P. P बोले तो paragraph. So if I write it here, background color black, color white. That will try it. What if some nice question is there? What if there are multiple paragraphs? All paragraphs will become background color blue only, black only. Okay, problem we will solve it later. First one is what is internal CSS? You will write it style as a element. Style as a like a element. Close tag is there. For style, if you see open tag and close tag is there, and they were right at the end of the head. This is called internal CSS. What it is called? Good. Next one. Next external CSS. Next again. Now, for the persons who did not get it internal CSS means you will open a style, you will close the style. In between the styles, you will open a style, you will close the. In between the styles, you will take it any kind of selector you like, and you will put open to close. In this between open to close, you can write it whatever properties it will apply to for this particular tag. Now, okay. Now, external CSS. External CSS बोले तो you can link your own CSS also. I can link CSS, and what link you are giving? ఏదేస్తుంది కదా నాకు నేను చూసుకోవాలి తర్వాత నేను చూసి కాల్ చేస్తాను ఇక నేను చూస్తా మన సాయంత్రం ఏమన్నాడు మన సాయంత్రం ఏమన్నాడు తెలిస్తే సరే చెప్తాం ఓ నేను చెప్తా సరే 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 now okay now everyone focus here ma this is first it would be somewhat reverse but next time onwards it would be easy now see how do you link CSS write it here link colon CSS what is the file name you put sir style.cs only na you don't need to change it actually but still I am changing it single dot means current folder in current folder style.css is there that this is external CSS what it is called external CSS means somewhere else you will write it and here you will use it okay go here take it here one external CSS inside this let's take it here one h2 by everyone then go here h2 for h2 I will give back color alice blue color green is the point sir so you can give internal you can give inline you can give external now which one is more powerful which one is more powerful inline what is more powerful inline after inline what is more powerful After internal, what is more powerful? Because that's only there. Okay. Now here, if you have three options, imagine in inline I said it for H1 something background color red. In internal I said background color blue for the same H1. Then which one it will listen, sir? Because inline is having more priority than the internal. Now external बोले तो you CSS without any style tag in the external file and dot CSS files, and you will attach that into HTML. You will attach that into HTML. So next, next, next one, selectors. Next one, selectors. What if, sir, there are so many paragraphs? Paragraph, paragraph, hi. Now here, now everyone, can you see right side, sir? What is the problem? What is the problem? Why all are getting same color? Because all are paragraphs. All are now all paragraphs will come here in the same way, right? Because you selected paragraph has to be background black. But there are so many paragraphs. So automatically what will become black. But only for second arrow or third arrow, this third high, this third paragraph. This third paragraph I wanted to give another color. Or second paragraph I want to give second. You can use inline. You can use, but what if 100 elements are there? Can you use it all 100 elements inline? No. Inline is not suggestible. I gave here class name. I gave here class name. Class is the class name we will give. Para. No. Para. Para. No. Three paragraphs I gave class name para. What I gave class name? Now I wanted to say like select the element which are having class para. I want to select the elements which are having class para. Instead of saying it like for all P are this, and also if any one element is having something called dot para, immediately say it like ground red. Now three things became red. Why, sir? Because three paras are there, class paras. What if I want to give one element, one particular thing, and no other element should have same ID? What you will give? ID. Now go here. ID. ID. Here, para you are giving it some color, and ID I will give one. How do you access class name? Just now we have seen. How did you access the class name, sir? By dot. Everyone, dot means class. Dot means what is the symbol of ID? Hash. What is the symbol of ID? Hash. Here I will say para 1, background color aqua, color black. Now if you do this, sir, what will happen is automatically whatever the color you want to give, those elements will go into that color. Now, sir, which paragraph code is same, sir? Okay. Now, now at least now everyone created your own element, your own thing, which will use internal, external, and inline. Okay. Can you all create it now, ma? Start it, sir. Everyone, create a sample HTML which shows inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS, and I will come and check. Offline, please put it in chat. I'm going to come and check. Someone, Namburi Sushmita, when do we use class? When do we use, give due? You can give due whenever you want to block the thing, whenever you want to put any element. Okay. Try to create a small application using CSS, internal and external CSS. Hash is for ID. Hash is for ID. Hash means ID, dot means hash means ID, dot means class name. Namburi Sushmita. What what is difference between class and div? There is no chance only. Class is an attribute, div is an element. Slash uh, initializing. You can give head or you can give it directly separate file also. Your wish. Head दे दिए तो internal रहता, बाहर है तो external बोलता. Now, quickly, sir, quickly complete. Online, please try to, sir. For the people online who are not getting it, I will give you a shorter task. You can try it. Even for the offline people who wants to try the me, try this task. Word document. Now, online people, whoever listening to this, online people, whoever listening to this, try this ma. I want this as output. Everyone want this as output. Offline also. I want this as output. Can anyone tell me what is my HTML code here? How many HTML take? How many HTMLs I have to take? One. Now here. Good. Let's go here. Now, I am going to create the same thing in CSS, sir. If you listen to this, you will understand it 100% at least. Okay. Now, go here. Go here. Let's do it slowly this time. This. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Now, देखो. Now, everyone, focus on this one. First, how to get empty code, sir? How to get empty code? Exclamation, enter. I got it empty code, sir. Now, see this, sir. How many elements you want? 4 elements you want. What elements you want? What elements you want? Paragraphs or buttons, images. What did you want? Headings. How many headings? Very good. 4 headings I want. Let's go here. Here. Heading 1, asterisk 4. So I got 4 headings. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, sir, here? No. Here. First one, hi. Second one. Then third one, by. And the fourth one, by only. Any doubts in my HTML code, sir? Any doubts in my HTML code? No. Okay. First I will do the same thing. First I will do the same thing with inline CSS. Inline CSS में कैसा करूंगी? First, I will show this here, show preview. Right click, show preview. You can see it here only. Okay. Now, how did I get this show preview, sir? Everyone, live preview. One extension is there. You will have something called live preview. Because of that, I got it. Now go here. Style. Style. Background color. What is the background color here? Something sky blue and the color is brown. So background color. It will show me some colors. So I will go here. This color. Not exact color. Something. Okay. Now color. This is one way. This is one way to do. Right or not? What is this type of CSS is called, sir? What is this called? What is the problem here? You can't write it for everything the inline elements, na? 4 elements are only big. What if 10 elements are there? 20 are there. In HTML, sometimes when you write it, so many elements are there. Can you write it each one in line? No. That is not possible, sir. Now, instead of this, what you can choose? Now, I am going to comment it. I'm going to create another H1. I showed you inline and I hope no one have any doubt in the inline. Sir, inline? Clear, sir, inline? Now, you can use something called internal. Internal bole to, at the end of it, you will write something called style. In the style, you can give any kind of selector. You can give any kind of selector. Now, sir, selector bole to, you can give CS class or ID. If you remember in HTML, I told classes and are used to select the element. Right or not? Now, See this, sir. Will I give IDs or tell me? Will I give IDs or class? Why? Because each are okay. First one I will give ID, sir. Good. Second one I will give ID, sir. Third one, do I need to give ID, sir? Why? Because third and fourth are same. First one ID. Why it's different. Second one is ID because it's different. But third and four are same now. So third and four should be having same class name now. Because if third and four also giving ID, same code you have to write two times. Okay. Now instead, so I will go here. I will write it here, sir, in HTML. First one का ID क्या है? Heading 1. Second one, I will write it here ID. Heading 2. For third one, I will say class. Class, my heading. Now, you can put whatever the names you like it, sir. Does anyone have any doubts, sir, in regarding this? Why did I give first one ID, second one ID, third one and fourth one same class name? Does anyone have any doubts, ma? No. Why? Because third and four are same. In my output, I want it same. ID is for the unique ones and classes are for the same ones. Now, go here. Go to internal CSS. In internal CSS, I want element. Listen, I want you to select one element. I want you to select one element with ID heading 1. How did you select that element? Hash heading 1. And it's so simple, Ray. You have to color one block. First you have to block na. So कैसे select करूंगी? You can select by tag name. You can select by class name. Or you can select by ID. If select by tag name, sir, if I say H1 Ray, अरे four H1s are there. If you give H1 color, all four को color आता. Right or not? If I take class name, imagine there may be 2-3 elements are same class name. All will get it. So I can select the element by ID. I can select the element by. How did you select it? ID बोले तो hash. Class name बोले तो dot. Class name बोले तो. So hash heading 1. For the hash heading 1, I will give background color sky blue and color brown. Any doubts, sir? Sir, any doubts in this one which I did? Any doubts in anyone? No? No. Share the programs. Everyone listen. Whatever the programs I'm doing it every day, they will be in the GitHub. Okay? Please see that. Now, next one. What if I wanted second one? Hash heading 2. How do you give it, sir? Pink and white. Background color pink. Color white. Next. Oh, that's not pink, na? Okay, I thought it's pink. It's not. It's purple, I think. No, that's not purple also. Let me select it here. This is this color. Okay. Next one, sir. Now, third and fourth. Third and fourth I need to give. Now, which one I will use, sir? Class. How do you take a class? Dot. Go here. Dot. Class name. What is the class name? What is the class? My heading. Go here. Background color red, color black. Now, internal CS also you understand, right or not? But sir, there is one great thing. Some people don't like to write internal CSS. I don't like to write. Why? Because imagine my HTML is 100 lines. If I write internal also CSS also in the HTML only, my page will become bigger now. Code will be confusing. Also, I see something heading ray and I want to see what is the style for heading 2. Again, I have to go up and again I have to every time it's a time consuming. Instead of this, instead of this, people will take same code. Don't change the code. Same code, same code. Create one more file and paste it here. Simple. Now, this file is not connected to your HTML. Then connect it. How do you connect it, sir? Link colon CSS. You can write it, or I will write it here. Link relation is equals to style sheet href is equals to what is the link in current folder style.css link. This is how you will write it. So it's like internal and external are same. External bole to you will write it somewhere else and you will attach it. Internal bole to in the same application you will write. Which one is powerful? Inline. After that internal. After that external. Also, according to the selections, ID is powerful. If you give ID one color, class one color, and tag name one color, ID will come first. Then class, then I normal. Any doubts, sir? Here? Any doubts, ma? This is just a basic introduction. How do you select an element? How do you give, different kinds of CSS? Next, we will actually. Can we use class for all H1s? You can do that. You can use one class for all H1s also. Or you can directly use H1 tag also. You can use however you want it. Class can be repeated, but ID cannot be repeated. Is it clear, ma? These are basic selectors. Now, to understand CSS, everyone listen. To understand CSS, you need to understand three things first. To understand CSS, you need to understand three things. We need to understand three basic things. First one is different types of CSS, which we did. One is different selectors, which we started. Then next, designs. You will understand different designs, ma. First, you will understand something called box model. We will see it in future classes. Okay. Is it clear, ma, everyone? I will push the notes into the drive. Don't worry. Today I will push it. All the code, whatever I wrote, is already in the drive. All the code, whatever we did, is in the drive. And tomorrow onwards, the class will be there, like, somewhat faster. So try to bring your laptop if you are having it, so that I will do it here, you will do it there. Is it clear, ma? Here, I don't think internet will come. You are using your phones, so it's better with the laptops only. Okay, yeah. That's it for today. Thank you all, and we'll meet you tomorrow.
Yeah.